Crypto Kyo here, and I'm bringing you news for this beautiful Saturday. I have three articles that I thought were pretty interesting. One of them was that cryptocurrency rebound. As you guys noticed, that Bitcoin has been kind of low. The price of it has been going down, but it seems like it's rebounding again. So there has been, in the past week, there has been 11.6 billion dollars worth of trade within the this week. Now that I'm reporting, there's probably even been more. One of the exchanges that has been trading the most has been the Korean exchange, which was Upbit. They have been trading the most, the largest exchange worldwide. And the US dollar used to be the one that bought most of the Bitcoin, but now it seems like Japan has beat them in the currency that's buying up most of the Bitcoin. So it says here, US 32%, Tether 2.8%, Korean won is 7.5%, Euro is 4.9%, and let's see, and the digital currency, that's the most Japan. However, this week Japan has taken the lead over once, as the yen now captures 36%. So they're capturing 36% of Bitcoin and the currency that's trading for Bitcoin. So as they can see that most of the cryptocurrencies are moving up in price. They're going back to the original value, and some of the traders are a little pessimistic. They believe that Bitcoin might go down between 9,000 to 5,000 still. So I don't know. If it does, try to buy some more. The only cryptocurrency that hasn't gone up is Tether. It's the only one that out of all the cryptocurrencies has not increased in value. The next news is about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already been 80% of Bitcoin has already been mined. So what does that mean to you right now? The cap is 21 million, and there is only 4.2 million that have not been mined. So it is 16,800,000 BTC has already been mined, and that's as of January 13th. So from January 13th to right now, which is what, the 20th of January, much more have been mined. Skeptics are trying to figure out how to have Bitcoin's cap be more than 21 million, and they're saying that there's a flaw in the proof of stake, and they're trying to manipulate that so that they can have the cap for Bitcoin be increased. So what do I get out of this? I get out of this that once it's been mined, which is 4.2 million, and that's nothing. They can probably mine that in 1 month. The value of Bitcoin will rise even more. As you guys can see, Bitcoin loses its value, gains its value, but I believe that as soon as the amount that's been capped for Bitcoin has been mined, the price of Bitcoin is going to skyrocket. So I would suggest that you guys start buying Bitcoin and just holding it to at least the end of the year. Because it's going to do is just raise in price. First of all, the 21 million that have been reserved just to be mined is going to be capped out. They won't be able to mine anymore. So those 21 millions have to be circulated. And because there's no more to mine, the value of it is going to increase. So don't give up on Bitcoin. The value is going to raise substantially. And then the last one was, some people are afraid of cryptocurrency, and how other people are taking advantage of those that don't understand Bitcoin and how it works and how it could be manipulated. But I mean, the good thing is that there are federal governments that U.S. Regulators that are trying to help those that have been taken advantage by people that commit fraud with their cryptocurrency. Like the first one was, the first case was Dillian Michael Dean, a U.S. registered company, entrepreneurs headquarter. They solicited 1.1 million worth of Bitcoin from over 600 members of the public from April 2017 to the present, promising to convert them into fiat currency and invest in pooled investment. So at the end of everything, they weren't even they weren't even registered to invest in anything. They weren't. So launched another trade. So however, the derivatives watchdog allies that the defendants did not trade on behalf of customers, but misappropriated over 1 million in customer funds. The next one was that, and I'm not telling you this to be afraid of investing or afraid of cryptocurrency. I'm telling you this because most people just take the word of others instead of doing their research, like I said before, in your due diligence. And the thing that I believe is undervalued is your intuition. If you feel weird about it, if you don't feel right about it, just don't invest. There will be other opportunities that will make you feel good about it, and trust your intuition about it. Don't underestimate your intuition. So I'm giving you all these scenarios. One of them was, charged for fraud, misappropriating connections. So they took money from people. This company compliance. Exchanged for real-time virtual currency trading advice and for virtual currency purchasing and trading on behalf of the customers. So in other words, they really didn't do anything. So let me know on in the comments, what do you think about cryptocurrency and new businesses that are coming up? Do you think that this is something that should be trusted? And what do you think about the fact that 80% of Bitcoin has already been mined? Do you feel that the value is going to go up, or just people are going to forget about Bitcoin? So this is Crypto Keo, and I'm giving you news for Saturday, this beautiful Saturday. And I'll be giving you more updates on ICOs, bringing you new ICOs. And the news for cryptocurrency. Again, this is Crypto Keo. Subscribe to the channel, like this channel, please, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be able to be notified when I have a new video and when I bring up a new ICO, so you'll be ready to invest in your money or just wet your toes on what the potential that cryptocurrency has. All right, well, thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.